In the 1860s, vast diamond deposits were discovered in South Africa. The mines flooded the market with diamonds, collapsing their value. Cecil Rhodes arrived with capital and began buying every mine. Cecil Rhodes founded De Beers Consolidated Mines in 1888. De Beers controlled over 80% of world diamonds for decades. De Beers stockpiled millions of diamonds and released them slowly. Diamonds are common. De Beers created the illusion of rarity. By the 1930s, diamond demand was collapsing during the Great Depression. De Beers hired N.W. Ayer to engineer American Diamond Desire. N.W. Ayer planted diamond engagement scenes in Hollywood films. Copywriter Francis Geraghty coined "A diamond is forever" in 1947. The slogan ran in every major American magazine from 1948. The campaign made diamond engagement rings mandatory for marriage. Diamond rings went from 10% to 80% of proposals. De Beers advised spending 2 months' salary on an engagement ring. De Beers introduced diamond rings to Japan in the 1960s. De Beers warned that diamonds don't hold resale value. In Africa, diamonds funded brutal civil wars for decades. The term blood diamond entered public consciousness through journalism. The Kimberley process, launched in 2003 to certify conflict-free diamonds. In 2004, De Beers settled a U.S. price-fixing class action. De Beers avoided U.S. jurisdiction for decades by not selling there. In 2015, laboratory-grown diamonds became indistinguishable from natural ones. De Beers launched its own lab-grown diamond brand in 2018. Lab-grown diamonds now cost 90% less than mined diamonds. De Beers' market share fell from 80% to under 30%. Russia, Australia, and Canada opened major competing diamond mines. Russian diamond company Alrosa emerged as a powerful De Beers rival. The global diamond resale market is a fraction of retail. The diamond engagement ring tradition barely existed before 1940. "A diamond is forever" was named the greatest ad slogan ever. De Beers used royalty and celebrity endorsements to cement the tradition. De Beers mining operations transformed and scarred southern Africa. African mine workers earned minimal wages while the West paid thousands. Moissanite and lab diamonds now challenge the entire natural diamond market. A 1-carat diamond today costs $4,000 to $6,000. The Oppenheimer family controlled De Beers for most of its history. Anglo-American acquired De Beers' remaining shares in 2012. Lab-grown diamonds now account for nearly half of new diamond purchases. Diamonds were never rare. De Beers made you believe they were.